Alright, so the first thing is let's rename this because it's awkward here to be named group details and we are using it here. Okay, so maybe let's name it as let's see, info details card. Yeah, I'm gonna get that name, info details card. Yeah, now we know that we are using it both in profile and then the group screen. So let's remove this. Now in the profile screen down here, first let's put the text. Okay, a text widget. So here let's have a text widget. So this is going to say settings. Okay, and then let's also put a constant of size box, height of 10. So this text we are just gonna say settings. Let's put a constant modifier here. And then after this text let's create another card widget. Okay, so here let's have a card which has got a child of a column. Okay, now inside here we need to put like accounts, media, notifications, something like that. So also we know we have a widget that we created in the group information screen. Here we have exit group card. Okay, why is that? So this exit group card, it's basically just a card which returns a list style. Okay, so this list style is a settings list style, so we want to get this settings list style. Okay, now let's go in the profile screen. So the first child, so children, so we want that settings list style. What's going on? Okay, let's import this. Actually we don't even not to copy, let's just call it settings settings list style. It's this one, I think. Yep. So the title we're gonna say account, and then the icon will say what can it give it? Icons dot let's say person. So let's bring this down and then let's bring it down. And then the container color, maybe let's give it colors dot deep purple. So why are we having this? Okay, we need to put a close it here. And then on top we're going to navigate to account screen. Okay, here navigate to account settings. Okay, you can put a tab there and the column, and then let's hot reload and see what we have. So we have something like that. And then so these settings, let's move it to start. Okay, let's copy that. Let's copy that, then paste it here. Then also let's put the style here, which comes from text style. Okay, so we have even stopped using our Google fonts. We need to be consistent here. Okay, so let's get the Google fonts. Google fonts dot open sans, and then here let's put maybe font size. Let's something like 18. So let's remove the constant keyword. Let's hot reload. Yeah, and then let's also put font weight dot bold. We can also move this to start. So what we're gonna do is main axis alignment, an axis alignment to start. Let's hot reload. So it has to be cross. Alright, now we have moved it that side, and then let's also give it maybe some padding. You can see that this is going all the way up to the end. Okay, so this we can give it padding only left. Hot reload. Yeah, we want something like that. Okay, now there we have it. We have an account, and then let's get the next one. So this next one is just going to be below this. Let's hot reload. So we want the next one to be there. Now this other one is going to be maybe my media, and then we have image here. Let's maybe give it a green color. Let's hot reload. Yeah, something like that. And then let's just continue. We copy that. This is going to be notifications. So here is going to be notifications. Let's give this maybe a red color. Let's hot reload. So there we have it. And then what's next we can do is so let's put them in groups. Okay, so this is the first group, and then let's get another size box just right after this card. Let's put a paste. Let's paste it there, and then let's get another one. We copy, and then let's put it down here. All right, now here this one, let's name this as a help. So here we can have that help icon, and the color, maybe let's get the yellow color. Then next here, let's have what can we do here? Maybe share. Okay, and then here the color, maybe let's get the the icon is share. The color, let's get okay, let's keep the blue color. And then maybe these, let's keep them, the two of them. So we have that, and then we can remove maybe this. All right, just like that. And then also this, let's wrap it in the single child scroll view. Wrap it a widget, single child scroll view. And then so this is another group. Let's get another one. Okay, just right after this. Now let's go in the settings screen. Where is that settings screen? And then let's get the logout. We'll get it as well. And then let's also get this theme. Okay, so we want to get this card for the switch list tile. Where is that? It's coming. It's this card. Go to the profile screen right after this card. Let's paste it. Now we have all these things that we need to pass. So just from up here, let's copy all of these. Okay. Let's copy. Then let's go up. So here, let's paste, and then let's just import these. All right, looks like we don't have an error. Let's hot reload. Now we have even the theme in here. Okay, so yeah, we also need to put a size box. Let's put the size box in there, And then maybe this container, let's change it. Let's put the way these ones are looking. Okay, so we can make the one like this so that we can match these. Okay, so this is not looking uniform with these. Okay, so what we can do is let's see, first of all, let's try to get one of these settings list out, and then this container that we have. Okay, so maybe what we can do is let's copy this, or we can reuse this maybe. Okay, that's gonna take some time to customize it. So let's just get that, and then instead of this switch list tile, let's try to return the list tile, and then the container here, let's give this colors dot deep purple, and then the icon, let's give it a light mode, light mode. Okay, well, let's see what was okay, here we were checking if it is light mode, we're putting the light mode. If it is dark mode, okay, so let's just get this and do the same here. Okay, on the icon here, let's see, let me get the wall icon. On the icon here, what's going on? Let's paste that, and then the title, let's see what we're getting. Okay, the title, it was change theme. Let's put the constant keyword here, and then the subtitle, we don't have a subtitle here. Let's remove that. So now what we are interested in is a trading here. The trading, let's have a switch. It's a switch. Okay, now here on that switch, we are going to have that on so the value, let's get the value here is dark mode, and then the unchanged, we're going to have that okay, let's click tab. It's already getting the data from here. And then what else we have? So we don't have the on tap here. Now this one, we can remove it. Okay, and remove that, and then put a comma. So what do we need now? Let's try to hot reload. Okay, now we have something like that, which looks the same with this. Okay, but we don't want also to have this long thing here. Okay, so instead of let's also create this as a widget. Okay, so what we're doing is we had it, the switch list tile here, switch. Okay, I'm just gonna go to settings and then look for it. So not settings list tile, in the settings screen. In the settings screen, we were calling this switch. Okay, we are calling the switch list tile. Okay, we didn't have the widget for the switch list tile. Okay, so now we have it, which is this one. Okay, so now let's quickly add the logout. So let's just copy one of these, and then right after this card, let's paste it, and then let's remove one. Then here we want to say logout. So the icon, we should say log out. What's out? So it should be a logout icon. We don't have a logout outlined, and then the color, we should be red. Okay, Then on top here we want to show our, what is that, my animated dialog. Okay, my animated dialog. Okay, let's bring this down. On the title, we want to say log out. Okay, why Copilot is not doing all this? And then on the content we want Copilot. So are you sure? Okay, why Copilot is not doing it? Okay, I'm just gonna copy in here because I know we have done this already. Let's copy this in the settings screen. Okay, like that. So let's bring this down, and then let's bring this down. Text action, let's do log out. Then on top we just need to do that. So why we should why are we getting these errors? Did we call anything constant here? I think it's putting some extra. Okay, let me go back and just create this on my own. So the tap action, what is the problem here? Let's get inside our animated dialog. Okay, so show my animated dialog. Is that, so it should be a bool. Okay, so here we return a value. Okay, great. Now let's close that. Here now we just need to log out like that, and then let's import this. What's the problem here? Is it calling more things here? Let's see. Yeah, it was calling more brackets. So just like that, we have that logout, and then if we hot reload, we have that, but we have two. So let's remove this other one. Let's hot reload. Yeah, and then we have a logout. If we click here, giving an option. Okay, I logged out. All right. So what did I do here? Okay, so I need to say if value. Okay, if value, that's when we are just going to log out. Okay, now let's remove this. So it logged me out because I did not check. Everything was logging out. Let me see. So this method is ending up to here. Okay, like that. So if value, that's when you should be log me out. Now I don't even know who this user is, so we need to go to Firestore. So this was who. Let me just quickly log back in. So this user was I think it's alright, we're back inside, but now we are even logged in with another user. Okay, I think, yeah, we are logged in with another user. Anyway, now you get the point. So wait, let me hot reload first. Now if I click cancel, okay, it's still logging out. So if value is true, that's when it will log out. Now that I've hot reloaded, this code is there now. Let's go on ahead and log in. So let's get another one. I think it's this one. Okay, it's not this. So this is okay, now we are back with our user. Okay, now if we click here, If we click cancel, it won't log out until we click log out. Okay, great. So now the profile is done. Okay, great. So yeah, one other thing now, this application, guys, now since it's now in Git, I'm just going to be updating it. Okay, so you can right now what we're going to do, after I'm done like this, what I do is just to come here, then you can see that all the where we have done the changes are here. Then I'm going to use Copilot to give me a comment. Otherwise you need to write your comment yourself here. You can see that's a comment, and then I'm just going to click here and then commit and push. So let's just wait for it. Okay, now the code is pushed. So now the code in my Git is updated. You can head over there and then you will see all these changes that we have done. Okay, so that was it. That's it about this video, guys. It was just for the profile UI. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next video.